my name is Ashley Blake and I'm going to be redoing this dresser today. I am going to be using the Valspar Chalky Finish paints. Normally I use the Valspar Perfect White. It's a paint and primer and I love that. I'm trying these out because when I went in there was a white and a gray already mixed oops paint. If you don't know what that is, it's somebody bought a paint and they changed their mind, and so they returned it and they resell it at a really discounted price. And so these are normally $30 each and I got them for $2.50. So if you ever go to Lowe's or Home Depot, a trick is to just look out for their oops paints. So yeah, we're gonna try those out, and I don't unfortunately know the names of these colors because they are an oops paint, but I will still let you know what I think about them and if they work well and if I would purchase them again. So thank you for watching and we'll just get right into it.